Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to cook mama. It's actually called dumpling, but in Nepal, my country, we call it mama. And my name is Trina, and I am in 4th grade in Michelle Obama School. And now we have to make a dough. So what we need is all-purpose flour and water. So now our dough is ready. So what we need is ground meat. So if you want to make turkey one or a beef one, you can do that. But I'm making a chicken one, so you can put chicken, and we will put chopped onions. And so what we need and what else we need is cilantro, spring onion, chopped cabbage, salt for your taste, cumin powder, coriander powder. So now we're going to mix all of this in here. Now we need to mix them with the hand. So once we mix everything in with the hand, it should look something like this. So to prepare the dumpling, we need the dumpling steamer. And here we put the water to heat. And then we put the dumpling here. But before we put the dumpling, we need the cooking spray and spray it in here so the dumpling does not stick. So you need to take a little piece from the dough and roll it over here. Now we have to put the ground meat in the dough. Now you need to fold it like this. And we put it in the steamer. While wrapping the dumpling, we need to boil the water. Once the water is boiled, we need to steam the dumpling for 15 minutes. And then it will be ready to eat. So it's 15 minutes and now we can remove our dumpling. So now our dumpling is ready and we can eat with sauce, salsa or ketchup, whatever you like.